Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial using only LA Colors. LA Colors is a really affordable brand that you can find at Family Dollar, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree, which is where I got all my things to create this look today. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see how I created this look only using LA Colors, then just continue watching. To start the look, I'm going to first fill in my brows. This is what I purchased, which is a little pomade. It comes with a little brush. The shade that I got is in dark brown, and it has a plastic to make sure that the pomade doesn't dry. Oh, it might be too dark. This is all they have. Wow. Well, the pigmentation is good. Very good. It's really nice and creamy, and a small amount goes a long way. So the pomade wasn't my shade, it's too dark. I'm going to go over it with the brow tinted gel. The shade that I got was in light, so hopefully this would lighten my brows a little bit. Let's see. The brow gel helped a little bit to lighten them up. They're still slightly dark, but we're just gonna roll with it because I don't have anything else. Now moving on to the eyes, they're already set, they're already primed. I'm going to be using the LA Colors Nudes palette, and I am first going to go in with the last shade on the first row. I'm going to apply this all over my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the second shade on the second row, and I'm going to apply this right above that shade just to really define my crease. Now for my lid, I'm first going to go in with this little guy right here, which is called the Shimmer FX Liquid Eye Topper. The shade that I got is in Glimmer. It looks so beautiful. I'm hoping it just glides nicely all over my lid. This is first what I'm going to apply, and then on top of this, I will go in with another shadow from the palette. Pretty. That's all set, so I'm going to go in with the third shade from the palette on the second row. Now for liner and lashes, I won't be using anything from LA Colors. I do have these three right here that I have used in the past. This is a liquid liner, this is a eyeliner pencil, and this one is like the marker type of liner. And I've noticed that when I've used these, I can't stop tearing. And I definitely want to finish this look, so therefore I won't be using them. I don't think they have bad quality because the pigmentation is good. They don't dry matte. That's another thing I don't like about them. I like a black matte liner. That's the type of liners that I like to wear, and these are very shiny, very black, but very shiny, not matte. So I won't be using these just because I have used them in the past. I know how they work, and they do make my eye tear so much. So I will be skipping on these. I'm just letting you guys know. And then the lashes, I have these Diva lashes, which are not bad at all. They're actually really cute for like an everyday type of lash. But for this look, it won't show as much. I've had used them in the past also with some liner, and they basically disappeared. They don't look very full, so I want to skip on them. But for an everyday lash, I think they're really good, and they're only $1. Primer, I have two. This one, it says it's clear, minimizes pores, and this one right here is in peach, and it neutralizes dark spots. So I'm going to use both of them. I'm first going to go in with this one that is for pores. Okay, so as you can see, this is definitely not clear. This is white. It's very thick, and it actually looks like sunblock. I'm a little nervous. I'm going to place this around this area, which is where mainly where my pores are. On my nose. Oh my god. Okay, so this looks like I am applying sunblock right now. Whoa. Okay, we're just gonna roll with it because, hey, you never know, this might be a very good primer from the drugstore. Let's move on to the peach one that I'm going to apply in the rest of the face. It's also very thick and really, really peach. That is both primers on. I have to say I don't really see a big difference other than the fact that my face is very pale right now. It doesn't feel sticky at all. So let's move on with the foundation. I got two shades. This one is in soft beige, and this one right here is in warm honey. This is the truly matte, long wearing, high pigmented foundation. So I'm going to go in with soft beige first. If it's too light for me, I'm just going to mix it with the darkest shade, which is the warm honey. Wow. Wow. Okay, so this is very, very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way because all I did was pick up some in my brush, and as you can see, I still have some. I'm just going to spread that all over. So the foundation, it is a very pigmented, like it says high pigmentation. I definitely agree. A little bit goes a long way. The finish, it says it is matte, and it does look matte, but I like the fact that it doesn't look very dry on the skin. It makes your skin look very beautiful. I love that, and this foundation was just $4. So for concealers, I purchased two. This one is the Conceal It Cover and Correct Concealer. The shade that I picked was medium, and then this one right here is the Color Correct in Peach. So I'm first going to apply this one, and then on top I'll apply this one. Wow. So the peach corrector is really pigmented. You just need a small amount. It works really nice. The concealer, it doesn't have as much coverage, but I have to say that I'm so surprised that I'm still not creasing under my eyes. There is no creasing at all, so I'm really liking that. And I think that concealer was only $2 for an everyday type of concealer. I definitely think that if you're gonna purchase it, it's worth the money. It's only $2. Now, using the contour palette by LA Colors, I will be setting the concealer with this shade. To set the foundation, you don't have to, that is your choice. My preference, I like to set. So I'm going to use the mineral pressed powder. The shade that I got is in Creamy Natural. To finish the eyes, I'm going to tie line, and like I said, I'm not using any liners from LA Colors because they do make my eyes water like crazy, but I'm still going to use an affordable one. This one is by Jordana and is the 24-hour made to last eyeliner pencil. On my lower lashes, I'm going in with the LA Colors Perfect Lash Mascara. Going back to the contour palette, I'll be using these two shades to contour. For blush, I'll be using like Totally. And now for highlighter, I'll be using the Strobing highlighter in Champagne. Whoa. Also going to apply this in the corners of my eyes. I'm going in with the matte setting spray just to melt everything on the skin. For my lips, I'm first going to line them up with the lip liner pencil in Natural. Then I'm using the matte liquid lip color in Sultry. And last, I am going to add some High Shine Sea Butter Lip Gloss in Wink. Completes this LA Colors one brand tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments which of these products you're thinking about picking up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. And my face looks very pale right now because of the white primer that was supposed to be clear. This shade is in dark brown. It comes with a small pencil that I'm also going to try. Ooh, I scratched the shit on myself right here. Cover that a little bit. You're gonna be thinking I have a hickey. Not a hickey. I scratched myself when I was applying the foundation. Let's cover that bad boy up. That completes this LA Colors. Yeah, LA Colors, not LA Girls. Different brand, girl. Different brand.